Good morning! Pupunta kami sa breakfast. We will have breakfast. Keys?
Yep.
Yep. Last breakfast dito. Mamaya pagbalik ko, pakita ko sa inyo yung room. Oh, I forgot to pack my pajamas. It's still on the floor.
That's right.
Mamaya pagbalik ko. Malapit na ako matapos mag-pack. Yung ano na lang, yung hair straightener na ginamit ko kanina. Pinarest ko muna. And then ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung outfit ko. But yeah, we'll have breakfast. Yummers breakfast. I got my coffee. Ito yung same coffee na ininom ko kahapon. Decaf na Nescafe. Masarap to in fairness with isang sweetener. Nilagyan ko siya ng full cream milk. And then, yan yung pastry na kinain din namin kahapon. Juice. Bay. And then, apple juice. Yummers.
Which one do you want out of these?
Here's my big breakfast. Meron siyang hash brown, merong bacon, 2 eggs, sausage, bread, and then kay Dan, eggs benedict. Gaya ng kahapon. Meron siyang salmon. Yummers. Kain tayo. We're done. Maganda to. Iba-ibang kulay. Nice. Sa loob nun, merong mga sugal-sugal, mga pokey, ganun. Okay, room tour. Dito kami sa room 31. And pagpasok mo, ito yung makikita mo, si Bay. Diyan, ang door. Tapos dito, nandito yung toilet at saka yung shower. Sobrang gulo na kasi last day na namin. Tapos hindi kami nagpalinis kahapon. Meron silang free na shampoo at saka conditioner. Hindi ko nagamit yung conditioner nila, pero yung shampoo ginamit ko kahapon, okay naman. And then, yan yung Kojisan ko na soap. Nagdala ako ng soap. Meron silang toilet paper na free. Tapos, ito, hindi naubos. And then, meron silang mga sanitary bags. I actually think I'm gonna bring this para yan ako sa maliit na basurahan namin sa banyo. Yeah, I'll bring that. Babe, I'll bring these sanitary bags.
Okay.
Yeah? Nandito yung kanilang sink. Maliit lang siya, okay lang. Sobrang gusto ko to. Napack ko na siya. And sobrang dali lang kasi I don't have to like unpack it. Kasi pwede ko lang i-keep dyan yung mga skincare ko. And then yan, dinala ko din yan. Then meron sila ditong sa tissue. And yan. Tapos meron silang blow dryer, which is good. Hindi ko siya nagamit. And yung pajamas ko. And then yung hair straightener ko din nandun. And then dito makikita mo yung minibar. Tapos meron siyang maliit na dyan, na pwede mong lagyan ng kung anik-anik. Yung minibar nila, nilagyan namin ng pagkain namin. So, bumili kami ng Tim Tams, tea, lemonade, tubig. And then, dito, meron silang, pang coffee and all. Tapos, meron clean glass. Tapos, dito, merong, may laman. I didn't even know. Nandito pala yung iron. Pero hindi ko yung ginamit. Meron silang kettle sa taas. Okay. And then here, makikita mo, malaking mirror. Dito ako nagtitake ng picture ko. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit while we're here. I'm wearing this top that I got from, I forgot. Pero I think, Forever 21 to or got noon. Wait, let me see. Yeah, Forever 21. Forever 21 pala siya. And then ito is from Armol. Necklace from Kim's Collections 2015 PH. My ring. That ring. My Daniel Wellington watch. My bracelet from Rad AFPH. Diyan yung bag ko. Nakapack na siya. Kagabi pa yan packed. And then, dito, merong closet. Wala silang, bathrobe. Pero okay lang. And then, merong mga pillows doon. And then, extra thick blanket. And then, dito sa gilid, this I like. Yan yung mask ko kagabi. This I like. Just tap, and then yeah. So, itatap mo lang siya. Perfect, diba? Tap, bam. Again. Yeah. Ito yung bed. Super comfy na bed. Pero magulo siya. And then here, this is my favorite part. So, mayroon silang dalawang chairs doon. And then, dito sa table na to. And then, the view, you guys. Sobrang ganda. I should take a picture of this. This looks so pretty. And then, yeah. Yun na yun. And then, side table. And then, yeah. That's it. Maliit lang siya, pero we don't care. Kasi, sandali lang naman kami. Tapos, pumupunta lang kami dito para matulog. But, yeah. So pretty. Yeah, that's a view. Really nice. And that's it. Oh, meron pa sila. Meron palang TV. At saka yung artwork doon. Pero yeah, that's it. It's windy outside. Yung weather app sabi 23 degrees, pero windy siya. Medyo malamig siya, pero hindi kasing lamig sa hapon. Are we ready?
We're ready.
Let me just pack my things. We're off! Uwi na kami. Siguro dadaan kami sa JB Hi-Fi kapag meron kami na daanan. Kasi, yeah, titingin ako ng battery at saka memory card. So, we'll see. It was a really good trip, babe.
Yeah, it was.
Thank you. It was so memorable as well. You happy?
I'm happy.
I'm happy too. We're happy. Sinrate ko pa yung buho ko. Wala lang. Magbabiyahe lang pala. Pero okay lang. Dadaan sana kami sa market. Merong market. Like, ngayon lang na araw na to. Sa harap ng sa harap ng hotel. Pero parang hindi tumuloy yung iba. Kasi mag-open sila 9. Tapos, magte-10 na. Parang isa pa lang yung nag-open. Kasi sobrang sama ng weather. Tapos sabi pa ng weather app, uulan daw. So, siguro hindi na tumuloy yung iba. Merong isa dun, parang mga plants, ganun. So, hindi na lang namin tinignan. Uwi na lang kami. Tapos, mamaya mag-grocery shopping pa kami. So, I think this vlog is also one-day vlog. Yeah. So, ito na siguro yung vlog na pangatlong one day. We'll see. Wala yung mga traffic lights. Off yung mga traffic lights. Lagi. Yeah, bakit kaya? We're almost there, babe, right?
Almost what?
Almost in Adelaide.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Dangerous. We're here sa Costco. Bibili ako ng chanelas. Bibilhan ko ng chanelas si Merwin at saka si Mark. And na-realize ko, sobrang mura lang pala nitong chanelas na to. Kasi $9. So, it's less than $9. It's parang, what? 300? Yeah. 300 lang. Mura. Ang mura. So, bibilhan ko sila. Hindi ko alam kung anong size nila. Pero, yan ko na lang. I'll just guess. Looks good. I got the slippers. Si Dan din bibili din siya ng kanya. Oh, they have shorts here. We're done! Feeling ko tapos na ako sa pasalubong. Yeah, tapos na ako. I'm done. Yes. Pupunta kami ng JB Hi-Fi. Titingnan ko yung memory card at saka kung pwede pa sa budget battery. So, we'll see. Pupunta kami doon. It's 10 minutes away, he said. So, yeah. Chanelas. Di ko alam kung yan yung size nila, pero we'll see. Pwede naman ibalik ni Dan kapag hindi. Kasi hindi pa nag-reply. Hindi pa siguro gising yung mga batang yun. Pupunta kami sa Battery World. Basta, sabi sa akin ng babae. Kasi yung JB Hi-Fi, hindi na sila nagbebenta nung battery ng kamerang to. So, we will check dun sa Battery World. Nakabili ako ng memory card. Ano siya? 16 gig for $24. So, yeah. Sa 32 gig, hindi 16. So, yeah, finally, meron ako memory card para hindi na interrupted yung aking filming. Okay lang naman siguro yung 32. Yung 64 kasi ang mahal. You have the list?
Yeah.
I left my phone. I'm not gonna bring it.
Okay.
Yeah. Pupunta kami ng grocery. I'm just wearing this jacket because sobrang lamig. I mean, I'm not sure actually kung ano yung sa labas, pero feeling ko malamig kasi lumamig na sa loob kanina. Ay, hindi pala ganun kalamig, wait. We'll see. Yeah, malamig. Malamig. Okay. I'm gonna wear this. Sabi ko kay Dan, magbabadminton kami, pero parang malamig. Dinala niya yung trash bin sa labas. Kasi parang bukas atay ko collect yung bin, or maybe, yeah. They will collect that tomorrow?
No, the other day.
Tuesday?
Yeah.
Let's get a capsicum. Meron kaming 3 capsicum sa aming list. So, can you open it, babe? Sorry. Hanapin natin ang perfect shape na capsicum. That's perfect. Yep. Good boy, good boy, good boy. This one, babe.
Sounds alright.
Yeah, that one. Sweet.
Cucumber.
Cucumber, yeah. One. $2.50? Shoot, that's expensive, babe. How about this? Can we save if we get
The
one?
zucchini.
Okay,
Nah,
that
it's
expensive though.
a little bit expensive.
It is. Not a little bit. It used to be just $1 for one. That's too much.
I won't worry about it. They lost the sale.
What?
We'll get it then. Don't worry about it. We can survive without it.
We're done here. Konti lang yung inano namin dito. Kasi daw pupunta kami ng Kohl's. Ice cream. 33% off. Yung drumsticks na gusto ko.
Do I get some drumsticks?
Yeah, of course. I always like drumsticks.
Alright, grab some. Go.
Yeah? Yay! $5 na lang siya. From $7.99. So, nakasave kami ng $2.99. I saved you $2.99, babe.
Cost me a lot more than that.
Yummers. Thank you, babe. Parang may problema talaga yung camera ko, ah. Ayaw niya mag-focus sa mukha ko, ah. Okay, okay na. Let's get popcorn. Dito na kami sa Kohl's. Mamili lang kami ng chicken. Puro chicken. Let's get popcorn,
Yeah,
babe.
get some popcorn.
You want cashews?
Yeah.
It's good deal, $3.50. How many popcorns?
Just one.
Just one? What's the difference? Oh, 50% less fat. This one. 50% less fat?
Okay.
It's $1.75. And
You're
the
going
one.
to join these ones.
Yeah, that one is alright. It's popcorn. Let's get the 95 cents. Ito, 95 cents. Just one? Just one. Nahanap ko yung Doritos na ano. There! Hala na, see? I told you, it's no longer on sale.
Don't get it.
Ito, only at Kohl's. Sabi only at Kohl's. Doritos, friends. So, ano siya? Spicy. Nakasale ko nung una eh. Ayaw niya eh. Wala eh. We're done! We're heading back. Mabilis lang. Maliit lang. I mean, konti lang. Yes. Uwi na kami. Say, uwi. Uwi na kami. Maganda yung cart nila kasi nagbe-break. Don't hold it, babe. See? See? Nagbe-break siya ng kanya lang. Ayo, kato. Hello, let's do a haul. Let's do a haul. Chicken. Ulam namin mamaya. Ang bango. Yummers. Kung meron lang sanang kagaya ng Pilipinas na sauce, dito, sobrang yummers nito. Kasi yung chicken la, yummers. Tapos, i-combine mo sa sauce sa Pilipinas. Yummers. Kaya lang wala eh. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung gawin. Pero okay lang yan. And then, we went to Woolies. Kita nyo naman kanina, we went to Woolies. Meron kami dito. Meron kaming 3 capsicum, isang eggplant. Gusto ko magluto nung ginisang eggplant. Yung, wala lang, slice ko yung eggplant, lagyan ko ng onion at saka garlic, tapos yun na, yun lang. Patis, toyo, ano niya. And then, drumsticks, yummers. Naka 33% off siya. Mushrooms, kailangan ko ng mushroom. Kailangan ko lutuin yung lunch niya tonight. And then, onion. And then, cream of mushroom soup kasi gusto niya nalutuin ko ulit yung pork chop with mushroom. Matagal na din ako hindi nakaluto nun. So, ito yung pork chops. And that's everything from Woolies. You told me one time what was the last one when you were eating one.
The white one.
Ah, the white one. Okay. Kumakain siya ng Magnum. So, there's one more left? Babe? Magnum?
Yeah.
Okay. Doritos! Yung gusto ko nang itry. Yummers! And then, thick and cream kasi gagawin niya yung pasta niya. And then, popcorn. Isa lang. Yung from Kohl's. So, 95 cents lang ata yan. And then, chicken wings. Chicken drumsticks. Chicken fillet.
Fill it.
Breast fillet.
Fill it.
fillet, breast fillet, fillet, fillet. And then, ito, fruit mince pies. So, there's fruit inside.
Not really. Sultana.
Sultanas. So, yung tawag nila sa, what do I call it? Raisins. Yung tawag nila sa raisins, sultanas. Sultanas. Ang haba, diba, sultanas? Parang damit, sultanas. Anyway, yeah, meron siyang lamang sultanas sa loob. And, that's everything. That's it, babe. That's it. That's it. Ang aking kailangan tupiin. Tapos marami pa doon. And then, kailangan kong planchahin. I know! Na-plancha ko na to. Meron akong 3 na na-plancha or 4. Yeah, no, 3. Meron akong 3 na na-plancha. So, kailangan ko na lang planchahin yung, ni Dani, yung pants. So, yes! Tupiin ko muna itay. Kakain na kami. Natapos ko na lahat ng, hindi naman lahat, pero na-iron ko na yung mga shirts niya, natupi ko na lahat. Tapos, I'm editing a vlog right now, pero nagutom siya, so kakain kami. And then, I'm pretty sure matatapos ko, not really. Sasabihin ko sana matatapos ko siya i-edit. Hindi pala, kasi ito pala yung vlog na yun yung i-edit ko. So, mamaya ko pa siya matatapos kapag na-close ko na tong vlog. So, kakain kami ng manok. Kakain kami. Alam nyo ba, nasabi ni Dan, na mas masarap daw yung manok sa Pilipinas. You said you like the chicken better, the one in the Philippines, right?
Yeah.
You like that better than this?
Yeah.
I actually like this better. I think like it has more flavor to it. I think it's a sauce that makes the Philippines chicken better. But like without the sauce, I'm like, nah. Pero like the combination of that sauce and this, I think it's gonna be perfect because this is more tender and like juicy. The one in the Philippines can be dry. It's not bad at all. It's good, but I just think this one is better. Anyway. What is that? For me? For me? Is it good, babe? It looks good. I like pastry. I like it. Hello! Niluluto ko yung lunch na Dan. So, nandito na yung chicken. Yan yung breast fillet na inano ko kanina, slice ko. And then, nandito yung capsicum at saka mushroom. And yun lang. Yun lang yung kailangan ko lutuin para sa lunch niya. He will have the same lunch. Yung rolls, yung cold rolls, yung rice paper roll. Yun, kasi sabi niya, gusto niya daw ubusin yung rice paper roll na meron kami dito. Kasi hindi siya makaka-rice paper roll kapag wala na ako. Merong 7 na natira dito. So, ubusin yan. Ano lang, 2 araw lang yan na lunch to. Kasi 7. Usually, 3 lang sa isang araw. So, I'm gonna do like 3 sa isang araw. Tapos, 4 sa isang araw. And sobrang dami nitong chicken na to. Isang fillet lang to. Pero, fillet. Yeah. Pero, marami na. And then, ilalagay ko mamaya. Kapag medyo like, luto na ng slight yung chicken, ilalagay ko yung capsicum at saka yung mushroom. Lalagyan ko din yan ng salt and pepper. And then, isa-slice ko yung carrots. And walang cucumber kasi nga sobrang mahal ng cucumber kanina. Over naman yung $2.50. Sa tingin namin dahil sa bagyo, kasi 'di ba bumagyo dito. So siguro nagka-shortage sila ng cucumber kaya sobrang mahal. OA naman yung $2.50, isang cucumber lang. Like magkano na yun you guys? 35, 70, siguro mga 80. Isang cucumber, 80, kaloka. So, sabi niya, hindi na lang siya mag-cucumber. Ano na lang, dadamihan ko na lang ng carrots. Kasi marami pang carrots, oh. Hindi ko alam kung kailan pa namin ito nabili. Pero meron pang 4. So, i-dice ko yung 2 niyan. And that should be enough. Or maybe isa lang kasi 2 araw lang to. Or maybe 2 kasi nga dadamihan ko ng carrots. Sabi ko na nga, diba? Ayan, luto na yan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Naka-on pa yung apoy, pero luto na yan. And then, ito, ready na siya para bukas. So, yan yung laman ng rolls. Tapos yan. And avocados, bukas. Yummers! Katapos ko lang mag-edit ng haul. Grabe, walang hintong edit. Kasi, again, I'm pre-filming a lot of videos para sure ako na, like, I still have videos daily while I'm traveling. And alam ko na pagdating ko ng Pilipinas, tsaka yung internet. So, gusto ko na meron ako mga videos in advance para pagdating ko doon, kapag mabagal yung internet, like at least meron akong mga extra na video, you know what I mean? Tapos na ako mag-edit. Pagkatapos niyan, kailangan ko pa yan like i-edit sa Lapinidan kasi kailangan ko nang i-insert yung mga try-on part because it's a try-on haul video. But wala pang 10, so mamaya pa yung video ko. That's going to be a vlog. And yeah, gusto ko na mag-post ng picture sa Instagram. Like you know, gusto ko na sabihin sa inyo guys yung about sa ito. Kaya lang, kailangan kong pigilan yung aking sarili kasi yung vlog hindi pa na-upload. Gusto ko na parang isabay yung picture sa vlog. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you so much guys for watching. And yeah, salamat. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bukas, dalawang araw na yung vlog. So, bukas Monday at saka Tuesday, isang vlog lang yun. I actually enjoyed filming like one day vlog. Medyo stressful nga lang siya kasi ang daming i-edit. But like, sanay na ako sa maraming i-edit. So, yeah, it's fine. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Good night. Be good. Bye. Wanna say goodbye? Yes. Just say goodbye. Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye, guys.
Thank you, babe.
Goodbye,
Bye.
guys.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.